to the LC Baking Show!
Today we're going to make homemade ice cream in a bag. Here are some of the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need some half and half, or you can use whole milk and cream. You're going to need sugar, very important ingredient for ice cream. You're going to need vanilla extract. You're going to need some salt. We have table salt or rock salt also works. Either one of those, you probably don't have rock salt, so table salt is just fine. And some other things you're going to need. You're going to need some gloves. Mixing it will be very cold, so we got some handy dandy gloves here. You're going to need some measuring spoons and measuring cups and some ice. We have lots of ice here. Wonderful ice. You're also going to need your secret ingredient.
First step is to pour 1 cup of half and half into our smallest Ziploc baggie. Hey, Miss Mizuta, do you know why it's called half and half?
I don't know. Why is it called half and half, Miss
It's
McClinton?
because it's half milk and half cream.
What?
Right? Isn't that crazy? So that's why you can use that if you don't have this at home. So you can mix half cream and half milk if you don't have half and half at home. So I'm going to pour 1 full cup here all the way up to the brim. And we're going to put it right in that Ziploc. This is the one part where you could spill, so be really careful.
Great job, Miss McClinton.
Thank you.
Our next step is to add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
Let's look for that one. Miss Mizuta, we only have a 1/2 teaspoon.
I don't know how many scoops of vanilla extract do we need to put in for 1.5 teaspoons. If we have 1/2, where's the vanilla extract? If we have 1/2 teaspoon and I need 1.5, I need, here's 1, 2 scoops make 1 teaspoon, so I need to make 1 more, which makes 3 scoops of vanilla extract to make 1.5.
Awesome. So 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 3 halves. That's cool.
That is cool.
Next, we need 1 tablespoon of sugar. And we want white granulated sugar here. And we're going to do 1 tablespoon. Okay.
Sugar is my favorite.
Mm-hmm.
Once you have all the ingredients in the small bag, you want to seal it and make sure all the air is pushed out. Make sure not to spill. If you spill, that's okay too. You can always clean it up. Okay. It is sealed and all the air is out.
Awesome. Now we're going to put, because we got to get this ice cream cold, right? Now it's just like liquid. We need to make it a solid. We need to make it into ice cream. So we're going to put the small Ziploc into our larger Ziploc. And we are going to fill all around that other bag with ice. So we're going to load some ice all around our small bag. Perfect. And you're going to fill it about halfway up. And you make sure it's on both sides because we want to get it all really cold. More. Slipping through my fingers. Awesome. Now what we need is to add the salt. So what's cool is that the salt will create a chemical reaction that will make it even colder, and that's what's going to make it become ice cream. So we're going to take a 1/4 cup of salt, and we want to add it all around our small baggie because we want it to, again, mix with all of that ice. So just sprinkle that salt into the ice on both sides, all around your bag. That's a lot of salt.
That is a lot of salt, but I want my ice cream cold.
Now you're going to seal your big Ziploc. Get some of that extra air out. And now comes the fun part. We gotta shake this thing up. Boy, my hands are like frozen. It's so cold. I think I should have put on gloves.
I have gloves.
What? You're so prepared.
Oh, it's not even cold. I can't even feel it. I could do this all day, but guess what? I only have to do it for 6 minutes. All right, we shook our ice cream for 6 minutes. Now you want to take the small bag out of the large bag, and it's going to be a little bit frozen, you'll notice right away. And we're going to wipe it off. You might want to like rinse the outside of the bag with water or wipe it off with some paper towels because there's lots of salt in there and you don't want to end up with salt in your ice cream. That would just not be good at all. Alrighty. And then, because there are 3 of us, we want to make sure we can divide our ice cream into 3 equal parts. So we're going to go ahead and divide it into thirds. I'm going to scoop it. Everybody gets a scoop of ice cream. Does that sound good? This is super.
That's definitely frozen.
Super, super frozen. Like almost too frozen, probably.
Like the movie.
34 M&Ms, and I want to divide them among each of our ice creams, right? And we want to be fair, so we all want to have the same amount. So I need to do some division here. So I need to divide 44 divided by 3. So I need to put it into 3 equal groups. And so I can kind of start by estimating, right? I know that 3 times 10 equals 30. So that means 30 in 3 groups is 10 apiece, right? So I know we're each going to have at least 10 M&Ms. So let's start there. So I can kind of start dividing out, and then I'll see how many are left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oop, that's an extra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And
Mrs.
so,
Clinton, you only have 9 in this.
oh, I must have miscounted. So 10, 10, 10. So that means I have 30. So left over, I have a couple left over. And to figure out how many should go in each group, I definitely need to add some more. So I can add 1 here, 1 here,
I miscounted.
and 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here.
I feel like we should count these to make sure they're equal groups.
Yeah.
Let's count how many are right here.
Okay, let's each count our
Okay.
plate and see how many
Okay,
we
I'm gonna count my
have.
plate.
We have an extra.
Hold on,
I don't know
I'm
if
gonna
that's
count my plate.
right.
1,
And
2,
it's okay,
3,
we're checking our
4,
answer.
6,
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14.
I have 15. I have
7,
more than you.
8, 9,
That's
10.
not fair.
I have 14.
I have 15. I win.
No,
You
that's not fair.
Oh, you have more than me.
You have more than me too.
So are they equal groups?
Well,
No.
I have 14.
I have 14.
Oh, okay. Well,
So you need
so
to
I'll
have
take
14.
1 out of mine. So
Okay.
now we have 2 extra.
2 extra?
What?
What do we do with those?
We can't split among 3 people.
I know what you can do with the extras.
Mrs. Gross!
Mm.
She took our M&Ms.
Well,
She
it makes
did.
it fair now.
Good
Now
thing we have other toppings too.
Yeah.
We can add in our M&Ms to our ice cream. Yummy.
Yum, yum, yum. Oh, grab a spoon, Miss Mizuta.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Mmm.
Yummy. Can I have the chocolate syrup?
Oh, yes.
Yes. Thank you. Anyone would like chocolate syrup?
Love chocolate syrup. Yes.
I'll have some too.
Oh,